Welcome to our channel. Today we how to optimize your rates with Fiverr, full guide step by step clearly. Start by logging into your Fiverr account. Navigate to your profile settings. Ensure your profile is completely filled out. Add a professional profile picture. Write an engaging bio that highlights your skills. Set up your gig offerings. Choose a specific niche you want to target. Create clear and concise gig titles. Craft detailed gig descriptions that explain your services. Use keywords strategically to improve searchability. Add relevant tags to your gigs. Set competitive prices based on your skill level. Research similar services on Fiverr to determine pricing. Consider offering different packages for flexibility. Add attractive images or videos to showcase your work. Optimize your gig's delivery time to meet client expectations. Enable Fiverr's gig extras for additional services. Promote your gigs on social media platforms. Engage with potential clients through Fiverr's messaging system. Respond promptly to inquiries to build trust. Seek feedback and reviews from previous clients. Adjust your pricing based on feedback and performance. Regularly update your gigs to keep them relevant. Analyze your gig performance using Fiverr's analytics tools. Experiment with different strategies to improve visibility. Participate in Fiverr forums and communities for additional tips. Monitor market trends related to your niche. Stay consistent with your branding across all gigs. Don't forget to like this video and subscribe to our channel for more step-by-step tech guides.